Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to craft. In the beginning, to enter craft menu, press F10 and craft. Here you can craft armors, weapons, accessories, miscellaneous skills and favorites. I'm sorry, you can't craft from here, but you can check what can you craft already. For examples, let's check swords. Here we've got crafting materials. This sword requires to craft quality lithograph weapons, quality mana steel, magic powder and polish crystal. As you can see, we've got these materials, so we can craft them. In order to craft swords, armors and accessories, we have to find this NPC. Those NPCs are in each city in the game. Enter it and select the weapon you would like to craft. Press craft and it's done. Here is the
iron, cloth and leather.
armor crafter.
Do you need stronger armor?
And here is the accessories
Take a
crafter.
look at our beautiful and exquisite accessories.
In order to achieve crafting recipes, lithographs, weapons, armor and accessories, you have to finish quests and mercenary contracts. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.